Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Welcome to social science class. Today I am going to teach you a chapter from geography, human environment interactions, the tropical and subtropical regions. Students, in this chapter you will read about Amazon basin and Ganga Brahmaputra basin.
So students, first have a look on the map of Amazon basin. It lies in the north of the continent South America. It lies very close to the equator between 10° north and 10° south. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. It is drained by river Amazon and its tributaries. Amazon River is the largest river in the world by volume. This river basin drains the parts of Brazil, Peru, Venezuela, Colombia, etc. So these are the countries through which equator passes. It is the largest river basin in the world. River Amazon was discovered by Spanish explorers. Students, the map which I have shared with you in this tutorial, do the same in your homework copy. Paste the world map in your copy and locate Amazon basin and Amazon river. In this chapter, you will read about the climatic conditions of this basin. You will also read about vegetation, wildlife, and life of the people in this basin. How changes are coming in the lifestyle of the people of this basin due to developmental activities. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. It runs through Amazon forest and Brazilian states. This basin covers 35.5% of South American continent. Most of this basin is covered by Amazon rainforest known as Amazonia. Now let's begin with what is basin. Basin is an area drained by a river or its tributaries. Now what are tributaries? Tributaries are small rivers that join the main river. Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world. It is located in South America. It has hot and wet climate. It gets rainfall daily. Days are hot and humid, whereas nights are cool and humid. Due to heavy rainfall, thick forests are found here, known as rainforest. Sunlight in these forests cannot reach the ground. Ground remains dark. Only shade-tolerant vegetation may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads grow as plants parasite. Bromeliads are special plants that store water in their leaves. These rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds like toucans, hummingbird, bird of paradise are found here. Animals like monkeys, sloth, reptiles like snakes and crocodiles are found here. Thousand species of insects are also found here. Several species of fishes are also found here. Flesh-eating piranha fish is also found in the river. So, this basin is rich in the variety of life found there. Now, come to the next topic. People of the rainforest. People clear the forest to grow food crops. Main crops grown here are tapioca, pineapple, sweet potato. Cash crops like coffee, maize, cocoa are also grown here. Staple food of the people is manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like potato. People follow slash and burn agriculture. These forests provide a lot of wood for the houses. Life of people of Amazon basin is changing now. Amazon highway made all parts of rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching different places. Now, here people started living a settled life. Due to the various developmental activities, these forests are depleting day by day. The topsoil is washed away as the rains fall, and the lush forest turns into a barren landscape. Today, up till here, in the next tutorial, I will teach you about Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Now, in the end, I want to share with you that festival days are going on. Don't be careless. Enjoy the festivals with your family members by taking proper precautions regarding COVID-19. Thank you and have a nice day.